Hi guys, I was flying the little paper kites yesterday. I was using this line that came off a different kite, and you can see over the time that I've had it, I've wound it on too tightly and it's deformed the handle. So I've 3D printed myself one. A little bit over the top, but this is that pink filament that's very brittle and tends to break, so I've made it extra thick to try and stop it breaking. Still got the support layers on there that I haven't trimmed off yet. Well, they came off all right. A little bit rough, could probably do with sanding down a bit. Yeah, my theory is I can wrap the line round there. I deliberately offset them so that I could print it flat. Otherwise I've had to use even more support layers. This took about 14 hours to print. I do like the shape of it. It does remind me of control line model aeroplanes. So that's something else I might try at some time. It's on my list of things to do, is to do some control line model aeroplane. Need an extra loop on there for a lanyard to go around your hand so you can't accidentally let go of it. Right, I might just run a bit of sandpaper over there. That's a little bit messy where the pink filament doesn't go properly. So I've nearly finished that spool of pink filament now. Anyway, what I'll do is I'll sand this down a little bit where it's a bit rough, then I'll just rewind that onto there. Well, that was interesting, winding it on. It actually took up far more space than I expected it to. I should have made those guides bigger. Still, I do rather like the look of that. But if I did another one, I'd either spread them apart a bit further or make them deeper. Could also do with a little notch somewhere to tie the tail off so it doesn't come loose. But for looks, I do like that. That worked out very nicely. That's all with Tinkercad, just with the basic shapes. Thanks for watching. There's always more information down in the video description, and if you like this video you might like this one up here, and you might like to have a look at my channel over here, see what else I do. Thank you for watching.